Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add product categories in WooCommerce in a WordPress website. As you can see, I'm into my WordPress admin dashboard, and in the left side toolbar we have a section of products, and when we move our cursor on the products, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of us having option of all products, add new products, brands and categories, right? So I'm going to click on categories. I'm going to tell you about two methods to add category for your product in WooCommerce on WordPress website. So this one is the first method, right? So we have simply opened the category section in the present in the product section in the left side toolbar of WordPress admin dashboard, right? And here we will simply enter the category name. For example, decorative items. I have created a new category with name decorative items, and in the slug we need to keep the slug SEO friendly, so that's why I'm just entering again decorative dash items. We can't use spaces in the URL, so I have replaced the space with dash over here, right? You can mention a long tail keyword as well. For example, buy decorative items online in this slug, right? Buy dash decorative dash items dash online. Okay, and this is parent category itself, or like it is a subcategory. If it is a subcategory, you can select the parent category, else there is no need. You can simply create a good description with having keywords that are relevant and having high search volume, so that this particular product category ranks on search engine result page, right? You can also add the thumbnail image for this particular category by clicking over here and just uploading the image. Make sure to rename the image and add the alt text for SEO reasons, and then click on add new category. Okay, this category has been created, as you can see, right? For example, now I just want to add a subcategory, right? So again, I'm creating a new category. So I'm into the products and then categories, and here it is asking me about the category name. So I have simply typed planters, and in this slug buy dash planters as online. Okay, and the parent category is decorative items, so I have simply selected that as a parent category, and now I will simply enter the description, upload the thumbnail and click on add new category. So as you can see, the planters is now a subcategory of the decorative items, right? So this was the first method. Using this method, you can simply create product categories in the WooCommerce of a WordPress website. Now I'm going to tell you the another method. So going back to the admin dashboard, as you can see, I'm into the WordPress admin dashboard again, right? And here in the left side toolbar, we are going to click on move our cursor on products, right? So I have moved my cursor on the products, and when we move the cursor on the products, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of us, and there is an option of add new product. So I'm going to click on add new product. So I'm just telling you that you can also create product category while creating a new product as well, right? So if you have forgot to create product category first and you started creating the product itself, then no need to worry. You can simply create category on this page also. For example, slippers for bathroom. I'm just creating a new product, so I have simply entered the product name, and in the right side, when we scroll down in the right side toolbar, we get an option of section of product categories, and here we can simply add new category by clicking on add new category button. And here I'm going to add a new category, so I have simply typed the name of my category as footwear, and it is a parent category itself. So I have selected the parent category, add new category, and as you can see, the category has been created, right? Now let me create another subcategory in the footwear. So footwear for women. I have simply entered the name of the new category, and now in the parent category I will select the footwear as a parent category of this category, and I will click on add new category. And as you can see, footwear for women is now a subcategory of footwear category, right? Sir, we have not mentioned the slug over here, no need to worries. Whenever you click on categories in the left side toolbar of the WordPress admin dashboard, in the product section, you may see this particular option of categories. You can simply click on this after once you create the product, and here when we scroll down, there is the category, so we can simply click on quick edit under the category name, and can simply change the slug of the category and subcategory. No need to worry, right? So I've simply changed the slug of the category, and in the same manner I can simply change the slug of the subcategory itself. So these are the two methods. Using these two methods you can simply create product categories in WooCommerce on WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about WooCommerce, then I have mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit our blog and can read articles related to WooCommerce. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing course, then also I have mentioned my website link in the video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.